Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to learn to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your baby sweater, lady sweater, gent sweater, baby's blanket. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you'll need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 and plus 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 and knit 6, 2 4 6. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1 2 and knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Your wrong side, your AB wrong side rows, you will knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Purl 6 and then knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 6, 2 4 6 and knit 2. Again, purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Purl 6 and knit 2. And your edge stitch and in front, purl. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Knit 6 and then purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 6, 2 4 6 and purl 2. Repeat that again. Knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then purl 2, 1 2, and your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. Your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here, and in back knit 2, 1 2, knit 2 and purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 6. Again, knit 2, 1 2 and purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 7. So row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and in front purl 2, 1 2, knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 4, 2, 4, purl 2 and knit 2. Sorry, knit 4, purl 2, knit 2. Again, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in front purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 2, 1, 2, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6, wrong side, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1, 2, and in back knit 2 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 4. Again, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your edge stitch purl. Row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 4. Again, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2 and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, knit 2, 1, 2 and then purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, purl 2. Again, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 and purl 2. Edge stitch purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.